and welcome you all to a brand new 540 square yards property here in New Friends Colony. Yes, unbelievable sort of construction for all of you. I've just entered the passage area. We have a separate lift lobby, a separate car parking, the entire space for more than 4 car parks because it's a 540 square yards in size with a duplex sort of a feeling because the stairs up to the terrace have the access from within your floor. Indeed, heard it right. We have a direct access to the terrace from the staircase as well as from the lift area. So right as we enter from the main area to this lobby, we will see the kitchen on the right first. This is an entire beautifully done up kitchen in Italian marble, on the walls cladding done, as well as that you can see Bosch equipments, microwave, OTG, hood and hob, and a beautiful laytop done right here. So this is a family lounge that has been attached right next to the kitchen and also right opposite the space which takes you above to the terrace. Yes, this secretive extra terrace staircase apart from the lift connectivity to the terrace is something that will make you feel more warmer. Let's start you have a look with the huge humongous size of the drawing room that we have right here. This is the dining room in the drawing room of this 540 square yards property, along with this entire belt of an extra space that you get alongside with your drawing and dining, overlooking a beautiful greenery and an entire empty land right behind this property. This is the first bedroom of the property adjoining to your drawing dining, along with this attached walk-in closet and the washroom. So this is right here, an attached walk-in closet that I'm taking you through, and a beautiful Italian cladded washroom right behind me. This has a shower cabinet which is absolutely separated, as well as this entire area of the WC. This entire extra space which is towards the back side of this property is entirely covered for you, and this jar is there absolutely for your protection. This entire open barren land right behind this property definitely gives you a lot of surpassing of natural light and air coming to your property. Next ahead, we are also not going to miss that this adjoining bedroom which I just showed you along with the drawing dining also has an extra Elmira cabinet space right here before you're exiting the bedroom. Next, now let's take you to the second bedroom of this beautiful property, which is this one, along with a definite artwork that has been done on the back side of the bed wall for all of you. Yes, the second bedroom and the drawing dining also have an attached balcony, which we should not miss because this is an extra space again, which can be added on for your daily errands. Along with the second bedroom, let's not miss to see the second beautiful washroom, which is right here. Beautifully Italian cladded again, and alongside a lot of almirahs that all you ladies get. तो कपड़ों की कमी बिल्कुल नहीं रखना because lot of storage space is available for you. Yes, a separate shower cabinet, a WC and a wash basin, all set up in Italian fittings for all of you. Taking you ahead towards the front side of the property, I've just shown you the 2 bedrooms and the drawing dining right towards the back side because it's the northeast section. There's a powder room which need not to be missed. Yes, a beautiful gorgeous powder room, WC and a super gorgeous crystal looking wash basin right here that you can see. This is right here from where we just entered. The main door, need not to miss, has a beautiful carving of the door that has been done right here with a Semitic beading of the gold lines. Yes, making it a little more royal, little more finished. Let's take you now towards the third bedroom, and as you can see, a lot of ample sunlight coming at 4:15 p.m. in my watch. Yes, the sun is almost down, but we can see a lot of natural sunlight coming towards the front side of the bedrooms. Yes, these are the front 2 adjoining bedrooms along with 2 adjoining washrooms, and the speciality of this particular builder is you need not miss the patterns of the washroom right here. Yes, beautifully done up, gorgeously made these patterns in an Italian marble that this builder always specializes in, and yes, he's one of my favorites. A lot of Elmira space right here again, and all of these cabinets that you see are all absolutely factory made. So these are all cabinets along with this entire wash basin area, a humongous mirror to look for yourself all the time, and the shower cabinet and the WC. Let's welcome you now to the fourth and the last and the most hugest bedroom of all. Yes, this is the master bedroom, all of you, of this 540 square yards available in New Friends Colony. Yes, this is on a 540 square yards third width terrace, one of the finest builders of South Delhi, and you need not miss the small bits what he does towards the backside of your bed, the kind of viewing and the kind of extra elements that are added to your bedroom. So now we are taking you inside to the largest washroom of this entire space. Again, Vastu kept in mind, colors kept in mind. This is southwest and we see a beautiful red color right here. So साउथ में आने ये कलर्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. मैं तो हमेशा वास्तु की बहुत बड़ी प्रेरक हूँ. So another extra cabinets, mirror looking, reddish maroonish color, enhancing your south energy, and now taking you inside the ultra gorgeous, again, red lining Italian marble pattern done right here with this gorgeous extra shower cabinet space, WC space, and the beautiful wash basin and a beautiful mirror. So yes, this was the fourth washroom of this property, and not letting you believe, yes, this is the construction that is happening right here in South Delhi. Now let us take you towards the terrace with this connectivity of the staircase right in your floor and opposite the family lounge. Yes, this is another enhancement that make you have a little more warmer feeling for all your guests if you're doing a party or something that actually gets you a lot of guests here. So welcome you now to the terrace of this beautiful 540 square yard floor available in NFC. Just as you enter, and a small sitting area right as from your entry, you can see a beautiful water body aligned right here, along with a pantry as well as a washroom which is also available on the terrace. Yes, along with that there is a paragola and a bar counter right here on my right and on my left, and this humongous terrace is one of the best options for you to conduct any sort of parties that you want to. Going ahead towards the front side of this terrace will make you see an artistic artwork which also can be used for the sitting space that you may see. Now towards the front side of the terrace, you can see this beautiful artistic sitting area right here, as well as something that has been mounted right here to see the view of the gorgeous NFC right across your road. If you're someone who loves enjoying sitting on the terrace, yes, we have a place for you which is also for the bonfire. Sitting space, water body, bonfire, all equipped in mind. South, north, the best zones that has been taken, along with another powder room that you can see behind me. Yes, this is the staircase from where we came. There's an extra space here for sitting or for an additional glass house. So this was 540 square yards, brand new third width terrace for all of you, and this is the place to be if you're looking for a property in New Friends Colony. For more videos, for someone who wants to have a property of their own, whether it be on rent or on sale, do not miss to subscribe, give a like, and also leave a comment if you want to see anything in the next. I'll be shooting them. Just to end this video, we also have a channel on Instagram by the name of South Delhi Properties, as well as Alicia Khanna, in which we will give you everyday updates of what is happening in and around South Delhi for real estate. Thank you for watching.